Easy Lock N80 Hilux Gen 3. Now, what is Gen 3? It is models from 2020 onwards. In this model of car, the strategy for the converter lockup is a little bit different to previous Hiluxes. However, it is really simple. If you have an Easy Lock, it is on one button and one button only, and that is the power button. If you push the power button in, the strategy will lock the converter from around 40 kilometers an hour, following the natural schedule of the converter in this model of car. If you have the button off, the car works completely normal with no problems. You can push the button on and off whenever you like, but I suggest when you are towing, keep the power button in. That will ensure that your transmission temperatures are low and that you won't have the problem with the converter flaring in and out. Do notice that when you have this in, your gear shifters will be firmer with the converter locked in, which is completely normal.